talk with Odumeje. I'm the one giving them powers. Go and ask him.
My people, wahala not too much. This pastor say na him give Odumeje power. He say na him dey give most people, most pastors. He say na him dey give them power. I go put the video for una make una listen. Nothing wey Musa no go see for this blue apple. Hey, all in the name to grow TikTok. No be small thing o. Una know say for TikTok na dey for dey see many things so. Mami water dey there. Odumeje dey there. Anyone wey you call dem dey there. Even the one wey be say no even fit repair your home, e go come say e wan come repair your home. All of them na there na dem dey. I go put this pastor video make una lis ten. Even the way wey take dey even dey do people wey dey watch am, I know say to create content e no easy. This pastor say he say if you be yahoo, if you be okpo like Vivian wey be okpo, he say he go help you, you go come make am. Like no say Vivian no make am now. Anyone wey you be, he say make you contact am, say he dey there for you. Hey, you see look, we don see person wey go make you, when we go make your okpo wife make am come and watch and make you carry am go, because you know say you na shentroma. Ayo boy awu no si obewe. This pastor say he go help. Many things wey talk for inside this video, my people. One that they say shall never end. This life balance. So now people wey there for inside now not balance. So I go put all the video. Make una watch this video. Help me to share this video. Love and like and share and leave your comments. Oh, hey, TikTok, everything for that side though. Not be for Facebook where be say nothing, not there. You see all these people where be say they don't fair kolo. Here now there na dey. Una bye bye for now. Yamuna watch una bye bye.
Talking to you, you're laughing. You're calling me names. You think I'm your mate. Calling me 419 pastor. You say if I see Odumeje, if I can talk with Odumeje, I'm the one giving them powers. Go and ask him. I gave them powers. I'm the one giving them powers. I don't talk much. I don't cap. I'm not in this country. I'm in the United States of America. You think I'm here? Have you seen me before? Looking at my skin alone, I don't live in this country. You see, I'm using Caro White. Do I look like someone using his skincare? I don't use cream. You can see it's natural. I don't use cream. Telling you, you lack respect. You think I live in this country? You're talking about my tattoo. Have you seen this tattoo? Does it look like a tattoo drawn in this country? Does this tattoo look like a tattoo that was drawn in Nigeria? I don't blame you. You lack respect. In the United States of America, if you don't have tattoo, you'll not be addressed as a pastor. That's where I live. If you don't have tattoo in the United States, you'll not be addressed as a pastor. They will see you as a powerless pastor. In the United States, you need to have tattoo. As a pastor in the United States, you don't have tattoo, they will throw you out of the church. This is the sign of trying to help you. You're laughing at yourself. Yes, I work for Yahoo Boys as well. If you're a Yahoo Boy, you are not cashing out anymore, come to my church. Come to my church and see powers. You cannot leave my church empty-handed. I'm going to work for you and you will cash out before leaving my church. You will see the powers of Pastor Eddie. I'm a powerful man. Go to Ring Road. You will see my banner there. I hit 5 man people, they put my banner there because I'm so powerful. I'm talking to you, you are laughing. You are not even serious. I will block you from my life. Pastor, I need your help. Baba, hook up. Yes, I work for hook up. If you're in a hook up there, you don't have customer, you always go to the club, nobody come to your place, come to me, I will work for you. You are laughing at yourself. You all are laughing at yourself, you're not laughing at me. I'm a blessed man of God with power. You are laughing at yourself. This is the problem with you people in Nigeria. You take everything for granted. You joke with everything. I will not be coming to TikTok life again because I can see that you people are here just to cash phone, to mock me. I will not be coming to TikTok life anymore. You are just here to mock me, to laugh. I will not be here anymore. Lack of respect. None of you is civil serious. Yes, if you want to get rich, come to my church. I will work for you. The name of my church is New Believer Ministry. Yes, New Believer Ministry. You want to be born again? Yes, you want to be a new believer? Come to my church. Do not mind them, pastor. Forgive them. I've forgiven them, but I will not be coming to TikTok anymore. Salt. I hate insult. They are underrating me so much. I don't like it. They underrate me too much. I don't like it. If you know where I can find any madman, take me there. If you know any psychiatric hospital, take me there. Where is your location? I don't give people my location. If you want to come to my church, send me DM. I will give you the location of my church. The name of my church is New Believer Ministry. If you want to come, send me DM. I will take you. I will give you an address. Don't ask me. I don't cast the address. I'm a rich man of God. I don't show the address. I don't want them to kidnap me. I don't show the address of my church. If you want to come, let me know. I don't want them to kidnap me. If you want to see me, come to Ring Road. Every Saturday I'm on Ring Road, always performing miracles, healing mad people. Healing mad people there, healing cripples, blind people, I heal them. You are laughing at yourself. You are laughing at yourself. I will block you, Fernando. You just came to my life, you are laughing. I will block you. On serious people. If you want to laugh, leave this place, go and laugh somewhere else. Leave here. I'm not here to joke. Nikki Bella, I will block you. I'm not your mate. Don't call me Eddie. I'm not your mate. You address me as pastor. Or you say father. Father in the Lord. Or you say papa. Or daddy. Don't call me Eddie. I'm not your mate. I will block you. Call me father in the Lord. You are laughing at yourself. Eddie, I will block you. You are laughing at yourself. I will block you from this life. You are laughing at yourself. I will not be coming to TikTok anymore because you people, you take everything for granted. You are not serious. You think I'm here to joke. I'm not creating content. I'm not a content creator. I'm not a comedian. I'm not a content creator. I'm here to show powers to the world. Absence. You come to someone's life to say trash. You talk to pastor, the man of God, anyhow. Pastor, when they bleach. Do I look like someone who bleach? Are you okay? Do I look like a bleachy someone? You don't have sense. Be careful, mind your words. Don't allow me to send fire to you. I don't joke with please be careful. Be careful. If you say anything like that again, be careful. Just be careful. If you cannot stay in my life, get out from my life. Just get out. I'm not here to joke. I'm here to help the needy who need my help. So be careful, mind your speech. Please bring me water. May the peace of the Lord be with you. This is how people address pastor. When you want to address me, you call me daddy. You call me sir. Or you call me Pastor Eddie. Don't just come to my life and say it's trash on my life. I will block you from my life. I don't take those nonsense from people. When you want to address me, say Pastor Eddie, or you say sir, or you say daddy. That's the way you need to approach a pastor. Don't come to my life and say trash. I will block you from my life. What nonsense is that? Saying trash on my life. Yes. If I have tattoo, is that your problem? Is my tattoo your problem? Is it a crime to have tattoo? In the United States, they don't talk about tattoo. I pierce my ear. I'm going to pierce here soon. So what's your problem about my tattoo? Are you coming to church to serve my tattoo, or you are coming to church to serve the living God? So mind your speech, please. So you see tattoo in my hand, is that the problem? Is that why you're not coming to work in my church? I don't blame you. If you say that again, I will block you. I call it the man of God, a small boy. My last boy is older than you. My last boy is older than you, 35 years old. He's older than you. You're telling a rich man of God with gold worth 70-something millions, billions. You are telling him that he's a small boy. I don't blame you. You are laughing at yourself, Amy. I cannot get rich. If you want to get rich, send me a DM. If you want me to work for you, want to be rich, send me a DM. I will work for you. You can see. These are some powers. You can see. These are powers. I do powers for people. I work for people. You are laughing at yourself. You are laughing at yourself. You are not laughing at me. Yes, I work for hookup guests. If you are hookup guest, you don't have customer, I work for you. Come to my church. You are laughing at yourself. You are not laughing at me. You are laughing at yourself.